Hey guys, CryptoDrip here, and today I'm just going to make a short video sharing what I found worked for me when trying to connect to the Elite 1337 network. So with this new update to 2.0, I was having some connection issues, and it would just give me that signal that I had zero connections to the network. So I looked for different ways to fix it, and I found one that worked for me. So what you're going to want to do is go to this website, it's in the description. This is all the active peers on the network. So what I found that worked for me is that when I first copied all these, add nodes, and put a configure file in my 1337 folder, it didn't want to connect for me. So instead what I did was hit Control F and search this website and type in 60020, and that's going to highlight only the IP addresses running the newest wallet version. So instead of having all these add nodes, as you can see on the right, I did add node, and then I copied this, and then I did this for all of the ones with 2.0.0. And after you finish adding all these to the list, again the ones highlighted when you type out 60020, then you're going to want to go to File, and this is all in Notepad, by the way. So then you're going to want to go to File, Save As, and change from text document to all files, and then save this document as 1337.conf. And make sure your wallet's not open when you do this, but you're going to want to move this file that you make with all the nodes into this folder right here, your Elite folder, which is in app data roaming. And I'm sure most of you who are in crypto know this, but you can reach your app data folder by searching %appdata%. Now, before you do all that work and add all these nodes, I have already made this configure file myself, of course, and it has all the current nodes that I saw on this website all listed here, and you can just move this into your 1337 folder. I just wanted to show you how to do it, just in case, we get a new update. So if there is an update, you're going to look at the subversion, see whatever the newest version is, and look at the number, the version number right here, and say it's 60002, I don't know, 25. You're going to search that up, and whatever's highlighted, then you're going to copy those nodes and put it into the file. After I made the file and moved it into my Elite folder, I was sort of starting to lose hope because it did not, fully connect to the blockchain right away. It was taking a while to sync, but now my Elite wallet is completely synced and I'm staking and it's all fixed now. So I'd suggest just leaving it running after you add all the latest nodes. Again, this file is in the description. It's just the exact file that I made, and it's working for me right now as of version 2.0.0. Now, if you download this, or if you want to change any of the configure files that you made, I would recommend Notepad++. Again, the link is in the description, and it's basically just a better notepad when working with code like this. Well, this isn't really code, but when working with documents like this. If this video didn't work for you, I would recommend visiting the Elite Reddit. I actually was having this guy's same problem. I followed these instructions, but it still wasn't working. But my fix that I just showed you fixed it for me. If it didn't fix it for you, you should message Xenoflux on Discord or Telegram, and the username is Xenoflux on both. If you like the Elite coin in general, I would recommend you visit the Reddit. They've got updates and they've got all these official websites on the right. Here are the links to their Discord and Telegram right here. Again, in case you have difficulties or if this fix didn't help you, please tell me if it did in the comments. Again, this is just what worked for me, and again, you'll probably have to leave it for a while to connect and sync. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Peace.